Hi, welcome to Maptive. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to customize your map markers. To customize all the map markers, we can click on the Map Settings button here on the top left. That is the gears. And we're going to go into Map Markers and Graphics. Here, we can click Customize Map Markers. And we have options. If we add grouping column, it's going to take us to the grouping tool. I'm going to talk about that in a little bit. You have the ability to change the color of the markers to any color you'd like. You also have the ability to use your own specialized text code. You can select the marker opacity and lighten or darken it. You can select the marker size. If these guys are too big and you want something very tiny, you can go very tiny. 10 pixels is the smallest, and 100 is the biggest. It's big, it's very big. You can add a label if you want to, though we suggest doing that through your data. The markers that we include are any of these. You do have the ability to upload your own custom marker. That can be any picture type marker or GIF. These are my uploaded pictures. If I choose one of those, I actually have the ability to change the size of it as well within here. Decide whether the marker will be the center point or more like a pin. This is my choice. Once you hit save, all of the markers will change on the map at once. If you get there and you don't like what you see, you can always restore default, and you can just say restore default that way. Now, if you are using your grouping tool and you'd like to customize a particular group's markers, you can do that right from within the grouping tool. Just simply click on the marker to the right of any of the groups that you want to edit, and you'll recognize where we are here. This is basically the same thing, but this is for the group settings. So it's sticking to the color it was, but you can change its color, opacity, just the same as the others. Lastly, we do give you the ability to edit the marker itself, an individual marker, but we don't suggest going and doing this on a regular basis, especially if you're changing many markers for a particular group that you've got in your head. You're better off using the grouping tool, but you can customize just a single marker if you wanted to change just one this way. Okay, that's everything on customizing your map markers. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us. Thanks for watching. Bye!